Data scientists are people with some mix of coding and statistical skills who work on making data useful in various ways. In my world, there are two main types. Type A data scientist. The A is for analysis. This type is primarily concerned with making sense of data or working with it in a fairly static way. The type A data scientist is very similar to a statistician and may be one but knows all the practical details of working with data that aren't taught in the statistics curriculum. Data cleaning, methods for dealing with very large data sets, visualization, deep knowledge of a particular domain, writing well about data, and so on. The type A data scientist can code well enough to work with data but is not necessarily an expert. The type A data scientist may be an expert in experimental design, forecasting, modeling, statistical inference, or other things typically taught in statistics departments. Generally speaking though, the work product of a data scientist is not p-values and confidence intervals as academic statistics sometimes seems to suggest and as it sometimes is for traditional statisticians working in the pharmaceutical industry, for example. At Google, type A data scientists are known variously as statistician, quantitative analyst, decision support engineering analyst, or data scientist, and probably a few more. Type B data scientist. The B is for building. Type B data scientists share some statistical background with Type A, but they are also very strong coders and may be trained software engineers. The Type B data scientist is mainly interested in using data in production. They build models which interact with users, often serving recommendations, products, people you may know, ads, movies, search results. At Google, a Type B data scientist would typically be called a software engineer. Type B data scientists may use the term data scientist to refer just to themselves, and since the definition of the field is very much in flux, they may be right. But I see the term being used most often in the general way I am proposing here. This categorization is crude. Many data scientists are some mix of A and B. But this answer is long enough already.